I hadn't.
I had been to Wales once. I went on a school trip to Betsy Coed.
I used to work for the RNLI, Royal National Lifeboat Institution. Great word, Emma.
It was nice to meet you, Adam. I'll see you on my next shift. Cheers.
I went to drama school with a lot of Welsh people, so I became quite good friends with them, and I got to visit Wales.
I worked on the whole coast up from Aberystwyth all the way down to Cardiff and Swansea, and we had like 3 sectors, and I spent one of the best summers of my life there.
In driving to work, I was like, what? Like, wow, what is this?
Oh, say hi to May for me. I mean, I haven't seen her.
Where we shoot and the locations we shoot and the school, which is in Caerleon, and then like Llandogo.
Yeah.
And all of the spots in between, like these beautiful
my
locations.
God.
It doesn't feel like we're in the UK.
It does not feel like we're in the UK.
It's stunning, and then when you go to sort of the River Wye and all of those picturesque locations, it kind of takes your breath away.
Thank you for taking such an active interest in my sex life.
I know diolch, I know bore da, I know alright but, which is a thing people say a lot on set, and I know achub bywydau yn y môr.
Don't you say hello?
Oh, bore da siamai.
I got police station. Well, I got police because we were staying by a police station, which is Headloo.
Yeah.
And then we got told how to say sex education.
Oh,
but
yeah.
I've forgotten it already.
Every place is different in Wales, and I think that's really cool. And it's unspoiled.